Alright, so in today's video, I am showing you how to install a Ramjet exhaust on your Ram 1500. So this one is a lower mine, but this is where we had. My dad decided that the ute wasn't loud enough, so here we are with the Ramjet full catback exhaust system with the the loud one with just the muffler in the middle but no muffler in the rear. So you basically get a full stainless steel exhaust, bigger tips, and everything sort of X-pipe inside the muffler instead of how some X-pipes are out there. This is sort of factory exhaust. You can sort of see underneath the middle here, you got the sort of big Mopar muffler there, and then the catback starts up there near the transfer case. So back here, this is the resonators that you have here. So you just got like a bolt up there, so the flange there, you undo that, and you can pull the back part out, which is also holding with a rubber. But yeah, this is how the exhaust looks, well, nice and shiny with the stainless. The tips also come off the other part, but this is the centerpiece up the front that part right there replace. There's the so to take the exhaust out, you had to cut off the passenger side, or if it's American driver side, resonators off, because it was all welded in one piece for some reason and it was difficult to get out, so we had to chop it off. So that's how you get the factory exhaust out of the ute. So yeah, basically in here we had to jack the car up and also lower the undo the sway bar links on the sway bar on the rear. So I had to jack the ute up and then put it on there and let the rear come down to try and get the exhaust over, but instead we chopped it, so we didn't need to do all of that. This is all the little gaskets and bolts and hangers you get, and you put the hanger on the front there of the muffler. Of course, you got the other hangers there. They all sort of are named and stuff like that for what they need to be. And yeah, we sort of have it all bolted up. It bolts up quite easy. It's a nice bolt-in kit, and yeah, it bolts in pretty nice and shiny. Makes it a lot easier to get in because it's all bolted in there, flanged, and it does take a little bit to have these angle spaces to try and get the exhaust to straighten up, and we did do that to get our tips straight. So yeah, you just gotta muck around with those every now and then. And this is what it sounds like.